Hey babes, so here I am, another life hack Pinterest video. Who doesn't love Pinterest, okay? Pinterest blessed me, and in return I'm blessing you with this hack, how to prepare your smoothies the night before. Good morning, teacup! I am boiling on a budget this week, so there's no eating out. So what I'm doing is gonna blend me up a nice smoothie. So I just thought about it. I need to put some juice in here. I was just trying to be fancy before the video. What I'm doing is taking the bottom part of this blender and simply attaching it to my mason jar. And it fits perfectly, and I'm gonna blend it and I'm gonna go, okay? So this is gonna be great. I'm about to put some cranberry juice because that's all I have. And there goes my breakfast on the go. Even got a handle on my mason jar. Check me out. Be sure to prepare your fruit the morning of or the night before and select the juice of your choice. Go ahead and attach the blender, blend it up. This is genius, teacups. Let's jump into it. My smoothie is ready. It tastes so good, guys. Teacups, it's your girl Tea Cruz in the building. You know what it is. Make ahead smoothies. Your way is the right way. Do me a favor. Please follow me on IG and Snapchat. Like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you guys want to know, what you want to see, what you want from me. Let me know. Until next time.